Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have, this is x divided by 2 and its whole power is 6 is equals to 5 to the power of 6, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to focus into the left hand side, and we apply this 6 separately on both of these two values, and we will get here x to the power of 6 divided by 2 to the power of 6 is equals to, this is 5 to the power of 6. And now further in the next step, we move the term 2 to the power of 6 from left hand side to the right hand side, and we will get here x to the power of 6 is equals to 5 to the power of 6 multiplied by 2 to the power of 6. And now you see here both of these two terms has exponent is 6, so we combine the exponent of these two terms and we get the remaining values are x to the power of 6 is equals to 5 multiplied by 2 and its whole exponent is 6. And further in the next step we have, this is x to the power of 6 is equals to 5 times 2 becomes 10 to the power of 6. And now we move the term 10 to the power of 6 from right hand side to the left hand side, and we get x to the power of 6 minus 10 to the power of 6, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we rewrite this equation as, this is x to the power of 6, and we write it as x cubed and its whole square minus, this is 10 to the power of 6, and we write it as 10 cubed and its whole square, and this is equals to 0. So here we use the nice algebraic formula. So according to that formula, we write x square minus y square as in this form. Here we get, there are two factors, x cubed minus 10 cubed into the second factor is x cubed plus 10 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. Now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x cubed minus 10 cubed equals to 0, and the second case is we write x cubed plus 10 cubed is equals to 0. And we call that this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So here we need to solve both of these two equations simultaneously. But now here in equation number 1, we use here this nice cubic formula. If we have a cubed minus b cubed equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. According to this nice cubic formula, we expand the left hand side of equation number 1 as in this form. So this will be written as x minus 10 times of x square plus x times of 10 plus 10 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. Here we need more simplifications for the values of x, so we divide this into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 10 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square plus 10x plus this 10 square becomes 100, and this whole equation is equals to 0. From this case, we easily get the value of x is equals to 10. This is the first real root of the given equation, and now in order to find the other root or solutions, we need to solve this quadratic equation. So in order to solve this quadratic equation, we use the quadratic formula here. For this, we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b equals to 10, and c equals to 100. And we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b and c, and we obtain the remaining remaining terms are in this form. X is equals to minus b, the value of b is minus 10 plus minus square root of b square, b is 10 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 100, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. So here we need more simplifications. and it will be written as in this form. This is minus 10 plus minus square root of 10 square becomes 100 minus 4 times of 100 divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. So inside the square root sign we need to take common 100, and we get the remaining values are 100 times of 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. Further we have this is minus 10 plus minus here we take the square root of 100, and it will becomes 10 times of square root of 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. So finally we have this is we break this fraction and we get minus 10 divided by 2 plus minus 10 times of, here we know that negative sign appears inside the square root sign, and it will becomes iota, and it is divided by 2. So we obtain 2 5s are 10 and 2 5s are 10. So we get the remaining values are minus 5 plus minus 5 times of square root of 3 into iota. These are the other two complex roots of the given equation which we get here from first case. And now we move towards our second case. In second case we use this nice cubic formula. If we have a cubed plus b cubed equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. According to this nice formula, we just copy down equation number 2 here, and our equation number 2 is implies that x plus 10 times of x square minus x times of 10 plus 10 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. We apply this formula in equation number 2 and we get this equation. Further, we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x plus 10 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square minus 10x plus 100 is equals to 0. So in the same pattern which we can do in the first equation, here we easily get the value of x is equals to minus 10. This is the fourth root of the given equation, and in order to get the other roots we need to solve this quadratic equation. So for this we first write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 10, and c is equals to 100. So here I can do just some direct steps, because this is repeated steps from case number 1. So first we put the value of b, it is minus 10, and we get here minus 10 minus becomes plus 10 plus minus square root of minus 10 square. Okay, this is minus 10 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 100, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. So we get this is 10 plus minus square root of minus 10 square is also becomes 100 minus 4 times of 100 divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. So after little bit simplifications we will get here our x is equals to, this is 10 times 10 plus minus 10 times of square root of 3 times of iota, and it is both of these two terms divided by 2. So finally we get here x is equals to 5 plus minus 5 times of square root of 3 iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation which we get here from second equation. So from second equation we get these three roots, and in the first equation we also get the three roots. So these are the total 6 roots of the given equation, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.